Hello, this is our Agents of Erosion presentation, how 4 elements, wind, water, ice, and gravity erode the earth. I hope you like it. One agent of erosion is water. A way that water erodes the earth is by making a sea cave like this. At first, a big rock in the ocean is solid, until water, after many years, pounds away at the rock, creating a sea cave like this. Another way that water erodes is by wearing away rock. This rock is very old and at one point had water pounding against it, but now the water is still. At the beginning of the process, the rock is whole. Then, at the bottom, the water wears away the rock. After a while, the top rock is hanging over the edge, creating a cliff-like area like this. The next agent of erosion is wind. A way that wind erodes is by making a mushroom rock, like this. This is created when wind picks up sand and blows it at the bottom of the rock from both sides. After the wind blows constantly at the bottom of the rock, the bottom gets skinny while the top stays the same, giving the rock a mushroom appearance. When the wind keeps blowing, it makes the bottom of the rock so skinny that the top of the rock topples over. Then, when the top of the rock is on the ground, the process continues, creating more mushroom rocks. Wind also makes dunes. When wind is blowing and it hits a heavy obstacle, the heavier particles go down while the lighter ones keep going forward. Then the wind keeps blowing and forms a sand pile. Another agent of erosion is ice. Ice erodes by making hoodoos like this. Water can flow on the rock, and then overnight the water will freeze. Then in the morning the ice will melt and there will be cracks in the rock. This process continues, and then the rock turns into tall, skinny pillars that stacks on rock. Ice also erodes the earth through glaciers. When there is a big chunk of ice on a slope, it starts to move downhill. The steeper the slope, the faster the glacier moves. When the glacier moves slowly, the glacier's base scrapes against the earth, leaving deep indents in the ground. Just like this mountain, you can still see the glacier, but it is a little melted away. The final agent of erosion is gravity. Gravity can cause rockfall. Rockfall occurs when rocks on a steep land slope that are loose roll down the slope. The rocks can be big or small, so if there is a road next to it, the rocks can block the road. Gravity also erodes the earth by making mud flow. When water, rock, and soil mix on a steep slope, they make a muddy substance like this. A muddy substance that can flow downhill, taking everything that lies in its path with it. Gravity causes the mud to flow down slope and ruin the region. Thanks for watching our Agents of Erosion video. I hope you learned a lot about how ice, water, wind, and gravity wear away the earth.